Man, you guys are finally here. I know it's been a long road, but you made it. You weathered the storm, all the months spent planning and preparing and working and new jobs and trying on dresses and getting the perfect hair and makeup and everything just to have this special day. And allow me to be the first to say that, Chelsea, you look absolutely stunning today. Nathan, we're glad you just showed up, man.
Growing up, I would always hear, "Oh, you're Chelsea Lott's sister," and you think I'd get tired of hearing it, but it's just really such a testament to her character and just how highly everybody thinks of her. I could go on and on about how much I love Nathan. He's kind, he's genuine, and he takes such good care of my sister. I couldn't imagine my life without him in it now.
First of all, I'd just like to say how much of an honor it is to be able to stand up here and speak about these two, because every single one of you guys have developed a relationship with these two, and I think that that's just a testament to who they are, and I think we can all agree that we're very thankful to be a part of their journey.
There's 365 miles between the University of Oklahoma and Texas A&M. There's 6 years that you have spent together. I looked it up. There's 4 ways that you can correctly fold a towel. Don't worry, Nathan, none of us get it right either. 3 times that you locked your keys in a car in Colorado. But today, there's only one family, one couple, one marriage that matters, and that's you two.
Such a blessing getting to witness their relationship grow over the years. They take such good care of the people they love, and they go out of their way to do the most for them. Nathan, you're one of the luckiest people in the world to have my sister by your side. And remember, I'm the first one she's gonna call when you mess up.
Come beside the storm in the way you're meant to. I couldn't say for sure, but I wouldn't ask for more than you. Say rest assured, we were made for this. We were made for this. Call me up before.
With this ring, I marry you.
In front of God, our friends and family.
This ring represents the promises and covenant I make to you.
When you see it, remember how much I love you.
And how grateful I am to have you as my husband.
And how grateful I am to have you as my wife.
We were made for this.
Beautiful, baby.
I got through it pretty good.
You did. You got
makeup everywhere. I
yes.
know.
You had it like covered here.